Have you ever repeated affirmations like, I am strong, I am very successful? You keep saying these words, but deep down in your heart, you don't feel it true. You don't resonate with those words. In reality, you're feeling weak. You want to manifest a strong you, and you're saying an affirmation, I'm strong. Or right now, you're not seeing much of success in your life, but you want to manifest success in your life, but you're saying, I'm successful. Your lips are saying, you're uttering those words, but deep down in your heart, you're not resonating with it. Deep down, you have the doubt. This is not the reality. Where am I strong? Where am I successful? You feel like an imposter deep down. You feel like a fake deep inside you. It doesn't really feel true for you. If you're trying to manifest something and you're doing affirmations, I'm sure you must have gone through this phase. Stick around till the end of the video. In today's video, I'm going to share exactly why traditional affirmations don't work and how two powerful healing tools, EFT and Ho'oponopono, can really help you make this affirmation work for you. I'll also share here some relatable real life examples to help you connect the dots. So stick around. Hi, I'm Meghlata. This is Self-Healing Mastery with Meghlata. If you're ready to heal from within and if you're ready to unlock your true potential, please consider subscribing to this channel for regular healing tools, tips and transformation techniques through my videos. We have to understand why affirmations very often fail in most of the cases. Affirmations sound beautiful. They really please your heart and you really wish it happens for you. It works for you. They are everywhere, right? You make your vision board, you stick your vision board and you keep looking at your vision board every day. You will find them in every other self-help book. The missing link here is if your subconscious mind does not believe in the affirmation, does not believe in the words you are repeating, it creates resistance from within. It's like, driving a car with handbrake on all the time. You say, I am calm, but your body is filled with stress. You say, I attract wealth. You say as an affirmation, I am attracting wealth, but your inner dialogue says, this is not for people like me. I have never attracted so far. Why will I attract now? So do you see the emotional disconnect? And this emotional disconnect is why many affirmations don't work. But there's a way to fix it. How? It begins with clearing all the emotional clutters from your mind, one after the other. Let's take an example now. Suppose, you're preparing for a big presentation in your company, okay? But deep down, you're scared. There is this negative self-talk that's running in your mind. What if I mess up? What if they judge me if I don't present it properly? Now, you're creating an affirmation for this and you're saying, I'm confident. Externally, you're uttering the word, I'm confident. But internally, your mind is rejecting it. Your mind is saying, what if I mess it up? Instead of directly jumping into saying affirmation, if you take the help of EFT tool for making your affirmation effective, how it helps? EFT helps in acknowledging the fear you have in your mind first. You might start tapping and say, even though I am afraid of failing, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. As you tap through all the meridian points, that negative emotional charge that is running in your mind, that's gradually calms down. And when your nervous system is safe and calm, now after doing the tapping, if you're saying your affirmation, I am confident, I am capable, there is no resistance from inside. Because your nerves are calm and your energy is much calmer now and your mind actually feel it to be true and believable. That is the beauty of EFT. It clears all the negative blocks before you plant an affirmation. Now let us look at how Ho'oponopono, the Hawaiian prayer for deep forgiveness, help in releasing your negative inner noise. Here for Ho'oponopono, let's take an example of relationship. Okay, here you want to attract a healthy relationship. I am attracting healthy relationship. This is what is going to be your affirmation. But in reality, you are struggling with a strained relationship. It could be with anybody. Maybe with your parent, maybe with your spouse, maybe with your child, maybe with your sibling, or it could be with your friend, it could be with your boss, it could be literally anybody. Okay? Now, because of the strained relationship, the hurt is running deep inside your heart and you're willing to cleanse it, you're willing to release it, and you're willing to let go of the heaviness. How do we do it? Keeping your hands on your heart. I take 100% responsibility for this strained relationship. I am sorry for manifesting this strained relationship in my life. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When you're repeating these phrases, when you're repeating these 4 phrases, what's happening? You're not blaming anybody. You're not giving any excuses. Instead, you're taking 100% responsibility on yourself. And by taking 100% responsibility, you're clearing and cleansing the emotional data that is stored in your subconscious mind. If the intensity of the pain is not coming down, keep repeating these 4 phrases. Now, after every repetition, if you assess the intensity you will see the intensity is gradually coming down. When the intensity of the pain comes down, when the resentment is released, you can experience a magical energy shift within you and you would start experiencing peace within you. Now, after releasing the resentment, when you're feeling peaceful inside and you're saying the affirmation, I attract healthy relationships, now it's coming from the space of truth. It's not just wishful thinking, right? Here is the key of these two tools. EFT helps in clearing the static emotional pattern like fear, doubt, and all old programming. Whereas Ho'oponopono mellows down or even clear the emotional memory or wounds that keep you stuck. So before doing any affirmation, if you feel that you're not resonating with the affirmation, I urge you to use either EFT or Ho'oponopono for clearing the doubt, for cleansing the emotional data, and then repeat your affirmation. Then it will really work for you. Your affirmation is not just a positive thinking. Now it becomes an energetic truth for you where your body and mind are in sync. Your conscious and subconscious mind are working in sync and there is no resistance. Now when your conscious mind is repeating the affirmation, there is no resistance from your subconscious mind. Conscious and subconscious mind are working in sync, and when you're sending out the energy to the universe responds. Then manifestation happens. They don't feel fake anymore. They feel real. They feel authentic. First, clear the noise. Then speak your truth. Let your healing be gentle and your affirmations be real for you. If you found any value in this video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are looking for one-to-one consultation, please get the details from the description box to connect with me. See you soon with another life-enhancing video. Till then, stay well. This is Meghalata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your good health.